Learn English vocabulary game. Hello everybody, how are you today? That's great. My name is Vinny. Welcome to Hello Baby English Vocabulary School. Please take a look at our website at hellobabyenglish.com. We also have a YouTube channel and a Telegram channel. They are called Hello Baby English. Okay, it is game time. Let's begin. Today we're doing verbs. We have 1 from level 1, 3 from level 2, 4 from level 3, and 2 from top level. Some of these have other meanings. All of these words have one more meaning in our program. Number 1, Jennifer, pizza, but she does not onions. She likes pizza, but she doesn't like onions. Jennifer wants to contact Bob. She will phone him. Equals, she will call him on the telephone. Their parents are wealthy. This means they're rich. They have lots of money. Lots of real estate. Real estate means land and houses and apartments. They own lots of real estate because they bought it. Jennifer's passport will expire soon. She's gotta renew. To renew something. She's gotta renew it now. Bob's writing a novel. And he's putting something on every page to help people navigate. He is numbering all of the pages. This means he's putting a number on every page. Bonus question for an extra point. When he's finished, all of the pages will be numbered. This job is very complicated. Can't we somehow? Can't we make it easier? Make it easier to do or easier to understand? Simplify. To simplify something means to make it easier to do or to understand. Jennifer always does what her parents tell her to do. She never, and the first letter is a Q. She never questions them. She is very loving and caring. She wants a group to help poor people. This means start. To establish a group. This means to start a group that you hope will last for a long time. Both groups cannot agree on anything. There's no way to bring them together, to make them closer. To bridge the gap. Similar to the noun, a bridge. Her brother acted strange yesterday. What him to do that? What made him do it? What prompted him? Bye-bye.